Hey beauties, welcome back to another product review day with Creative Contour by Carla. Today I am reviewing the Esteli Verano body oil. Let's get into it. So just from the first smell of opening the bottle, you can tell that it's a really beautiful citrus scent, and on the bottle it tells you the ingredients. And there is yuzu and bergamot, so that's where your citrus comes from. I ended up using this in my routine every day, sometimes day and night, sometimes just night. I used it with my body lotion and it worked really, really well, and they actually complemented each other quite well, which is really great for an oil-based product. So let's do a mini demonstration. Nice shine, and look how soft and moisturized my skin looks just on my arms from where I put the oil. Overall, I really liked this body oil. This is definitely something that I will be adding into my routine. I want to support my friends at Esteli. Head on over to their website, www.estelibody.com. See you soon!